Another fabulous Corvette from my father's collection. It's a 1963 split window. Very beautiful Daytona blue. It's the optional 340 horsepower, numbers match motor, 4-speed and posi rear end, obviously knockoff wheels. Thing's a gorgeous, gorgeous car. Go to volocars.com and that's where you can find about 200 classic cars, all for sale, all with price tags, even a monthly finance option. You'll find this one there as well. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click that bell icon. Okay, it's the split window. This piece of fiberglass right here, you're paying about 100 grand extra for that. That just made this car as iconic and as American as apple pie and baseball. The body is in excellent shape. I got this from a Corvette enthusiast, a very knowledgeable Corvette person. He says he bought it from the original owner. It's a one-owner car. He stripped the whole car down and painted it. So the body's in excellent shape. I don't see any damage or issues. Let's see how the door shuts. Like a new car, nice and solid. Remember, these doors go all the way into the roof. It's quite a job to make sure they're aligned properly. All this is excellent. The fiberglass is mint. I don't see any cracks, damage, issues. 63 was the only year with these sunken in panels with the grills showing on them. All this looks great. The headlights fit real nice. They open and close properly. Hood fits real nice. Car's real straight. Obviously no damage. There's a little mark, that wax is coming off. See how this door shuts? Shuts beautifully, like a new car. It's got these little scoops right here. Has this line going all the way down the middle. The other ones all get cut off because the window is wide open glass. Chrome was replaced. Bumpers, gas door, correct antenna. Has the bow tie mirror, door handles are sparkling, cross flags, all that looks beautiful. Original windshield has real faint wiper marks, stainless trim, all looks real nice. Of course, the knockoffs, like I mentioned, they're 15-inch aluminum knockoff wheels with reproduction Goodyear white striped tires. Gives it a really nice look compared to the hubcaps. So let's open up the inside and see that 340 horse motor. So I talked about the body. I didn't really talk specifically about the paint, but you can see it's just blue glass. It's beautiful paint. I'm sure there's a minor flaw here or there, but I didn't really notice any. Now, my father was dealing with these back in the early 70s when they were just used cars, so he really knows these cars very well. From his collection, the door jambs are painted too, and all new weather strips. The interior was replaced. Door panels are brand new. Armrest. The handles are sparkling. Beautiful dash area. 63 only gauges with the silver cone in the middle. The tachometer red line's at 6,500 RPM. It is a solid lifter engine to rev higher. All this is excellent. And it may look black, but this is actually a dark blue interior, which goes with the exterior beautifully. All this is excellent. 63 has this like laminate glove box door. I can't feel that emblem. It's under like a thick plastic. All in excellent shape. The interior light works. All the blue carpets replaced, and it fits real nice. It's not wrinkled up. Original AM/FM radio that was an option at the time. They just came with AM radios. I'm not sure if it works, and the clock's not working, but the gauges definitely work. All the consoles in real nice shape, got the correct 4-speed. If you're wondering how it functions, look for Michael's test drive on our YouTube channel, or go right to our website and look at the car, and the videos are posted there. I'm just going to slide the seat back forward a little bit, but cushions are fantastic. The upholstery is all new. In the back of the seat, all the carpet front to back has been redone. There's the jack. The trim's in real nice shape up above. All painted nice. The light works. Headliner's very good. Got one little nick right there. Nice visors, nice mirror. Excellent steering wheel, no cracks or damage. It's a very nice interior. Very nice. The blue with the blue is excellent choice. I shouldn't say choice, but it was born this way, so whoever chose it back in 1963 did a good job of choosing it. I'm a sucker for this dark blue. Of course, the knockoff wheels really make it. VIN number match, it's the original motor. We check dates, codes, all that stuff is proper. The 340 horse comes with a solid lifter cam, higher compression, factory aluminum intake, a little bit bigger carb, and then it's identified with the finned valve covers. And it's all stock. The ignition shielding, the manifolds, the air cleaner, all of that is stock. GM hose and clamps, all the right cooling system. And over on this side, you'll see the right fuel filter and the choke tube, all nice and clean. The expansion tank, GM hoses, Delco battery topper. So they did a nice job of detailing up the engine compartment as well. All right, now let's talk about the underside. So underneath this one looks like a frame off. The raw fiberglass floors are immaculate. That's the way they're supposed to be. Most people paint over them, especially when they've had to repair them. Brakes are all in excellent shape. They're drum brakes. Disc didn't come out for 2 more years. This was the first year for independent suspension, though, and that's been gone through and inspected and serviced as needed. The correct dual exhaust is new. The tips go right out through the rear valance. The frame and components are all clean and painted. It has a spare tire assembly is all there and complete. Looking up at the motor, it's clean Chevy orange. Has the screw-on canister oil filter. That's correct. The transmission is the VIN number match transmission. And we put pictures of all these numbers and codes on our website. Very transparent. And back is a original posi. I think it's a 355 posi, dated and coded for this car. So look again, a beautiful Daytona blue 340 horse. I think I wrote in the description, you can have fun accelerating in this car as your investment accelerates at the same time. Go to volocars.com and the salesman will help answer your questions, including how to get this delivered to your driveway and how to get it financed. Thanks for watching.